Un ejecutivo de KLM estaba invitado para la ceremonia de inauguración de Happy Flow, un gran ejemplo de buena cooperación hasta más lejos que el propio reino. Cooperación aquí entre el sector público y exponentes del sector privado, manera KLM, Schiphol Group y aeropuerto, está completamente complementar el desarrollo innovativo de facilidad nueva en Aruba.
Semana passada lança o projeto de Happy Flow na aeropuerto. É a primeira faceta para chegar a pré-clearance para a Europa. O desenvolvimento que tem enfatizado a necessidade de cooperação do reino e entre islas, e não unicamente entre o setor público e privado. Esse é o pensamento do Senior VP de KLM.
On behalf of KLM, I think it's important to stress the need to cooperate in the kingdom, not only between public and private partnerships, but also between the islands. Of course, we are here in Aruba, and Aruba was the front runner for the Happy Flow, and it will remain the front runner for Happy Flow. But perhaps it's worthwhile thinking about next developments in these partnerships to also elaborate on relationship with the other islands.
Mescosco é CEO de Schiphol e VP de KLM. Ano passado estava testigo de uma demonstração de Happy Flow e está reconhecer que o Ford é momento e a facilidade a progressar. Está reconhecer também o entusiasmo de Aruba dentro aqui.
And we need to take into account that there's only one place in the world where success precedes work, and that's in the dictionary. So first you have to work and then you get success. And I'd like to refer also to a saying of one of the biggest leaders in world history, Winston Churchill, who said, "Success is struggling from failure to failure without losing enthusiasm." And if I have seen all the dedication the Gobierno de Aruba, Schiphol Airport, Vision Box, the Dutch government, let's say the kingdom, and all the colleagues of KLM, Vision Box and Schiphol, and the airport here, Reina Beatrix, they've done a really very good job.
Pero por companhia aérea maneira KLM tem mais aspecto que talvez relevante, ora pensaria passageiro e seu trânsito seguro e rápido de aeroporto.
For KLM, it's also very important to stress the importance of seamless, secure, and as Josnaya said, traveling with taking into account the interests of privacy. And I think this is so innovative, such a good example of collaboration, not only public-private, but also in the kingdom. So we're talking about public-private partnerships in a kingdom with 8,000, 9,000 of distance. And we try to connect all those people. And as I said, between the islands and Aruba as a front runner. I think we are at the starting point of a huge project.
Esta espera que por exportar facilidade de Happy Flow para o aeroporto de Schiphol e outro aeroporto na caminda e por vira um êxito. Giovanni Müller, Noticia Awenochi.